Hello, Chef here, another recipe for you, and today we've got this beautiful pork tenderloin. I'm going to show you a quick marinade. We're also using poblano peppers. I love these chilies, so they're looking good. Thank you, Mexico. And I've got this beautiful pineapple. You can't go wrong with a nice big pineapple. Thank you to our friends in Hawaii there. So, of course, the pork comes from the Midwest. This is product of the USA. It's the best in the whole world. You can't beat it. So we're going to move along and get this pork cooking. Sometimes before I get into prepping meats, I like to whip up my marinade. So it's real simple here today. Soy sauce, just a little bit, about a tablespoon. Mustard, I'm going to put about a teaspoon of mustard. I've got some juniper berries, something you may have never seen before. I'm going to smash these. Someone broke my mortar and pestle, so I'm not using that. I got the hammer instead. So that's all we're going to do is give them a smash like this. And once we smash the junipers, that releases a whole bunch of flavor. And then they go right in the marinade. Okay, next thing I've got is some paprika. By the way, what I'm making here is a wet rub. All right, then we've got some, what do we got here? Bay leaves. Smash them up a little bit here. Sea salt, you gotta have sea salt. Okay, need a little bit of that salty flavor there. Okay, yep, got the sea salt there. And then we're gonna be putting a little bit of cumin. So maybe, let's say, a teaspoon of cumin. And the last thing, fresh ground pepper. Yeah. Okay, now in order to coat that amount of pork, we're missing one thing here. You know what that is? It's real simple. A little bit of water. The water is going to just help get all those flavors together and into that pork. So now moving along, I'm going to clean this. Pay attention. Okay, real quickly, I got these pork tenderloins and I'm going to clean them. They don't take very much to clean because they're beautiful how they are. So we're just going to remove the silver skin like this. And once the silver skin is off, pretty much we're going to give them a little bit of a butterfly effect. And then we're good to go. So this is about it. They're going to go on the grill, so a little tiny bit of fat on there is fine. Right there like that. So then this pork tenderloin now just gets split like this. And then of course I got that really cool hammer I showed you before. Yeah. If you don't have these, by the way, you know where to get them. Visit your sponsor. I'm just going to give this a little bit of a smack like this. Okay. Oh yeah, that's looking really good. And when I'm going to marinate this, I'd like to cook it in smaller pieces anyway. So here you go. 1, 2, 3. The 3 of these go in the marinade, just like this. We coat them real good, and we'll be checking on this in about 24 hours and getting the grill going, okay? Yeah, that's going to be good. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Watch the next video for the pork tenderloin. Lavender.